Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install and configure Zabbix server 7.4 on Ubuntu 24.04.4 LTS version. First open the default browser that comes with Ubuntu Linux, that is Firefox. Then go to Zabbix official website, it is zabbix.com. Then click on Get Zabbix. Then click on Zabbix packages. Then see here we have the versions 7.4, 7.0 and 6.0. Okay. In this video I am going to install this 7.4. So select the Zabbix version 7.4. Then select OS distribution Ubuntu. Then select OS versions. I am going to install on Ubuntu 24.04.4. So select 24.04. Then I am going to install Zabbix components, server, frontend and agent. I am using database as MySQL. If you want to install MySQL on Ubuntu operating system, then search for my YouTube channel how to install. Then I am going to use Apache as the web server. So first verify these two prerequisites installed or not. Let me show you. MySQL -- version. See, I have installed MySQL. Control A. Now check Apache web server is installed or not. Sudo systemctl status Apache 2. See, Apache web server is not installed. So install it. Sudo apt install Apache 2. Type and hit enter. We have successfully installed. Now verify the status of the Apache service. See, it is running and service is enabled. Quit Control A. Now see, all prerequisites matched. Okay, once you selected these options, see here it populated the list of the commands. First we are going to install and configure Zabbix for your platform. So first become the root user. Sudo -s. Then run these commands one by one. It is going to install these three commands, going to install Zabbix repository. So copy from this wget to up to the end. Paste it, hit enter. It is done. Now install this downloaded package. It is done. Control A. Now update the packages. apt update. It is done. Control A. Now install Zabbix server, frontend and agent by running this command. So copy this, paste it, hit enter, type and hit enter. It is done. Control A. Now create initial database and username. So connect to MySQL server, MySQL -u root -p for the password of root account. See, you have successfully connected and version is 8.4.8. Okay. See, first command is going to create database. Second one is going to create user Zabbix, and third one is granting privileges. Then next one is going to set this global value to 1. So execute these commands one by one. Hit enter. Now create user. See here, this syntax is giving password as password. If you want your own, you can remove and you can give. It is up to you. I am going with the same. Later also you can change the password of this one, but I strongly recommend it to provide password here only. Hit enter. Successfully created. Now grant the privileges. It is done. Now set this global value to 1. Quit. Now import the initial schema on data. Copy this command up to the end, paste it, then provide the password whatever here we have given. Here I have given password, so give the same password. This will take 1 or 2 minutes for the import. It is done. Now connect to MySQL and set this global value to 1. Now configure database for Zabbix server. So go to this file, copy this entire path, exit, vi, paste it, hit enter, scroll down, come down up to db password parameter. See here, db password, db host, db name, db schema, db user. Remove this hash by pressing X from your keyboard, then Shift A, then provide the password. We have given the same password, give the same here, colon, escape, colon, WQ, exclamation to save the file. Now step F, start Zabbix server and agent processes. So copy this one, paste it, hit enter. Now enable these processes, copy it. Everything done. Now open Zabbix UI. So we have to give HTTP host and Zabbix. We can give host, just give host name here. See, this is a host name. Copy it, new tab, HTTP colon // then Zabbix. Instead of host name, here you can give local host or loopback IP or IP of the machine. All works fine. Okay. Welcome to Zabbix 7.4. Select the default language from this list and click on next step. See, check for prerequisites, all are green and OK. See here, okay. Then click on next step. Now select the database type, MySQL, database host, localhost, because MySQL is installed on this one. Localhost is fine. Port number 3306. Database name Zabbix. Username also same. Provide the password of this Zabbix user. Then click on next step. Not now. Then provide the Zabbix server name. Zabbix is installed on this one. Localhost is fine. Default time zone you can select from this list. Default theme also. I am going with all defaults. If you want encrypt connection from website, you have to select this one. Then you have to provide CFI information. Click on next step. Pre-installation summary. If you want to modify any one of these settings, click on back and you can edit. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on next step. See, congratulations, you have successfully installed Zabbix frontend. Okay, click on finish. Now we have to connect Zabbix server. Username is admin. A must be caps. Then password is Zabbix. Zabbix is small case. Then click on sign in. Not now. See, we have successfully connected to Zabbix server version 7.4.7. If you want to create user or change the password, click on users. Then again users. See, this is the default user. If you want to create your own user, then click on create user. Okay. If you want to change the password of this user, click on here. Then click on change password. Then you have to click on update. This is the way. Okay. The last option that I want to show you is go to here, Ctrl L, sudo systemctl, stop Apache 2. Hit enter. Verify the status. See, Apache web server is stopped. Now reload this page. See, we are unable to connect. Okay. So Apache server must be up and running. Must be in started state. So go to quit, start it again. Now reload this page. See, we are able to connect. As I told you, you can give loopback IP also. HTTP //127.0.0.1/Zabbix. See, you got the same. Even we can give localhost. Localhost/Zabbix. See, you got the login page. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to install and configure Zabbix server 7.4 on Ubuntu 24.04.4 LTS version by using MySQL as a database. Okay. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.